The famous South Korean car manufacturer Kia has confirmed to bring an all-new MPV named as Carens in the Indian market. The MPV will come with redefined versatility, revolutionary design and class-leading features. The codename of the MPV is KY. According to the company, the MPV has been built on the same platform as the Seltos by following Kia's new design language known as Opposite United. Kia has been selling the Carens in the international market since the year 2000. Kia has unveiled the new Carens on 16 December 2021 in the Indian market. They have a plan to launch this MPV in the Indian market in the first half of 2022 at the expected price of Rs 15 to 18 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, the MPV will be the rival of Maruti Suzuki XL6, Hyundai Alcazar, Mahindra XUV 700 and Mahindra Marazzo. The new Kia Carens will come to the market in 6 or 7-seater layout and will be available in 3 new colors: silver, brown and blue. In terms of power, the MPV will be available with same engine options as the Seltos. BS6 contains 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that can be able to generate 115 PS of power and 144 Nm of peak torque, and 1.5-liter CRDI diesel engine which can produce 115 PS of power and 250 Nm of peak torque. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT or 6-speed torque converter AMT transmission. Talking about the exterior design, the MPV is likely to continue its sportier rugged look and SUV-like stance. Up front, it will get large split LED projector headlights with LED DRLs at the top, stylish chrome accented Kia signature tiger face front grille with Kia badging at the top, wide black air intakes with chrome surrounds, updated front bumper with bumper mounted LED fog lights housing with black cladding. The side profile gets power heated wall beams with indicated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, roof rail, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, body side plastic cladding, large wheel arcs with black cladding and new set of 17-inch crystal cut dual tone alloy wheels. The rear profile receives wraparound arrow-shaped LED tail lights which are connected together with an LED strip, Kia badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights and reflectors, chrome accented updated rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the MPV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new multi-layered dual-tone dashboard setup with dash-mounted highlighted stretched AC vents, electric power adjustable leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, 3 driving modes, digital instrument cluster with multi-information display, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth, UVO connected features and navigation system, Bose premium sound system with 8 speakers, remote trunk opener, auto dimming IRBMs, dual-gen automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, 64 colors ambient lighting, rear AC vents, new electronically adjustable sunroof, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with personal tables for second row seats, and spacious third row seats with 60/40 splitting options and 492-liter bigger boot space. The SUV is equipped with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, hill descent control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, seat belt and door hazard warning system, automatic windscreen wipers, high beam assist, automatic emergency braking, 6 airbags, side and front impact protection beam, high speed alert, crash sensor, tire pressure monitoring system and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.